Now, a fresh wave of political tension has gripped Nyamira County after the High Court in Bomet upheld the impeachment of former County Assembly Speaker Okero and affirmed the election of the former Okero Ward MCA Thaddeus Nyabaro as the lawful Speaker of Nyamira County Assembly. The ruling deemed Okero's continued assumption of the Speaker's role as unconstitutional.
In a ruling at the Boment High Court yesterday, High Court Judge Justice Julius Kipkosgei upheld the impeachment of former Nyamira County Assembly Speaker Okero and affirmed the election of the former Okero Ward MCA Thaddeus Nyabaro. The court stated that Okero ceased to hold office upon his impeachment in October 2024 and deemed his continuous assumption of the Speaker's role as unconstitutional, rendering all his subsequent actions null and void. The decision has sparked sharp criticism from over half of the members of the Nyamira County Assembly, who have accused the court of being biased in its ruling. Speaking during a press briefing in Kisii, Majority Leader and Rigoma Ward MCA Nyambega Gisesa claimed that the impeachment was not part of any of the petitions presented before court and alleged that some politician had started celebrating days earlier as if they had anticipated the verdict.
We've been dismayed by how that judgment, the kind of judgment the judge gave on the first issue. Number one, we have other active cases which are ongoing in court. The judge did not consider the merit or the issue of those other cases. Number two, and most importantly, the judge dealt on the issue of impeachment, which was not part of any of the requests by the people who went to court. Looking from the judgment, it was a considered view that as early as from last week on Thursday, some of the parties to that issue had started celebrating, knowing that they are aware of whatever outcome was supposed to come, which we believe was political than anything else.
Okero Ward MCA Joel Ombogi Nyangau also weighed in, calling upon Chief Justice Martha Koome to intervene, saying that the 22 MCAs opposing the ruling will file a petition against the court ruling to the Judicial Service Commission.
In our view, the judgment in Bomet is raw and somehow not considering all the factors that ought to be considered. So we want to call upon the Chief Justice to look at this matter keenly. We are filing, the 22 of us, a petition to the JSC because we don't have confidence in the judge at the Bomet High Court.
On his part, Magwawa Ward MCA and Deputy Speaker Abel Mukaya argued that Nyabaro could not take up the Speaker's position until the former Speaker is removed through the legal process.
Nyabaro being declared by the court as the Speaker duly elected is contrary to the provision of our standing order and the Constitution. And therefore, we cannot allow that the court can make consolidated judgment of what matters that are active in other courts.
As the MCAs file a petition against the court ruling, the court's affirmation of Nyabaro's election now positions him as the lawful speaker, pending formal gazettement. Magdalene Kanini, KUTV.